Okay, this book is going to be read with the courtesy of Scholastic, allowing online book readings during this time of quarantine. This is the life cycles from seed to sunflower, which is what we have planted. It's by Dr. Gerald Legg and illustrated by Carolyn Scarce. It is an informational text. Plants use energy from the sun to make food minerals, and the soil help plants to grow. In this book, you can see how a tiny seed grows into a beautiful sunflower. The seeds are buried in the soil. The soil contains minerals. Minerals are special foods that help the plant to grow. In spring, the warm sun and rain make the seeds begin to grow. This is called germination. The seed lies very deep in the soil all through the winter. The tough seed coat splits. Then the first root grows out. It knows that it must grow down into the soil. Soon afterwards, a shoot will sprout. Pushing the seed coat up out of the soil, it knows it must grow up into the air. This is the start of the root and the soil surrounding the seed. Food stored inside the seed helps the plant to grow. Smaller roots begin to sprout from the larger roots. The roots collect minerals and water from the soil to feed the growing plant. A bud hidden between the seed leaves pushes away the split seed coat. Main root, smaller roots, split seed coat, and the seed leaf. The young sunflower grows taller and more leaves sprout. The leaves use air, water, and sunlight to make food. Flower buds form and the roots grow longer. The roots take in water from the soil and help to hold the flower steady. Roots and the young leaves. The flower bud grows at the top of the stem. Later, it will open into a large flower head. Each flower head is made of lots of tiny flowers. Packed together, these tiny flowers produce seed, stem, flower bud. Insects are attracted to flowers because flowers make sweet nectar and pollen. Insects drink nectar, and as they fly between the plants, they also carry the sticky pollen on the plants from flower to flower. It is the pollen that makes plants produce new seeds. This is called pollination. The tiny seeds ripen. Birds peck the seeds in the flower heads. Some seeds are eaten and some are blown away by the wind. Some are caught in animal fur and fall to the ground later. Seeds can be carried far away from the mother plant. In autumn, the sunflower withers and dies. The seeds that have not been eaten or carried away fall to the ground. These seeds will be ready to grow next spring. Seeds on the ground, it's withering the seeds away, and the cycle will begin again. This is where our seed is that we planted today, and we'll see how it grows. Thank you. Have a nice day.